I've never heard of this park before. First time visiting. I actually was supposed to meet up with a group that is all about like outdoors, but y'all, there's no one here. So I'll take y'all on the adventure, okay? And we'll explore together and see what this one has to offer. Now, originally, I set out to do 3 miles with this group. I don't know the trails, so we're definitely going to use the map that I show you guys in each video. I give y'all that as a reference point just in case you choose to come out and explore on your own. You can kind of pause the video and then use it from there, or snapshot it and keep it with you, because a lot of these parks don't really have like a map that they give to you. It's mostly located at the entrances unless you go to a state park that has a center. Bell's Bend, I believe, does have a center. We'll check that out when we finish exploring, because I think it's in a different part, or maybe that this trailhead will lead to the center. In most cases, that happens. So yeah, we're going to get out, we're going to explore, and I'm going to bring you guys along in it. Y'all ready? Let's go. Yeah, I have my mask on deck just in case I encounter some people. But yo, y'all see my car. It's literally only 2 or 3 others here in the spacing. I don't want to show y'all that one because you may see the tag. But right off the bat, I don't know where this head is leading to. That's one trail that splits up. So here's the map of Bell's Bend Park. So where you see the dotted red is a part of that 2.3 mile loop that they have. Some information about this park and its history. If y'all are anything like me, I try to make this the time that I actually go back and just pause the video and read it. Highly suggest that, especially when it comes to the nature stuff, in case you decide to visit this park. So we've made it to the trailhead loop, the next marker for it. So apparently we can go this way or this way, and I think I'm gonna choose this way, and hopefully it works out for us. So they have those posted throughout, no more, and that's how this has grown to this point. But I tell y'all what, it would be really cool if these were fruit trees. I would love to see a situation where we have fruit trees in some of our parks. It would be so dope. Just pull a little peach from here, you know, or even berries. Let's start by getting some strawberries in there, or blueberries, or whatever. Y'all, this is why I wanted to come out here with the group, but evidently no one showed up, or maybe I'm in the wrong part of this park, because I don't know where I'm going. But we'll figure it out, because what's better than getting lost in the woods and just making your way back? I can always go back the way I came, so that helps. Woods and fields, my kind of day. Nice day to do it. No bike riding on this, but you can't walk your pets. Just have to keep them on a leash. So we're crossing over the little creek they have here. Barn and campground, 0.1 mile to other trails and outdoor center. All right, so we'll walk this one. Yo, no lie, I started walking the other trail, and as I started to walk, it was getting darker and darker and darker, and I was like, well, I think I'm gonna call this, because it's almost 2.5 miles, and I don't want to be out here in a downpour. Like, the clouds are starting to thicken. Right now, there's a break in the clouds, so we have the sun showing through. But I mean, I feel more secure doing a 0.1 mile trail walk to maybe a center and showing you guys that, than to be on an extensive trail that way. Oh, I'm pointing out of the frame. That way, and getting soaked trying to make it back to my car. It's already too cool for that. It feels great if you're not wet, but if you get wet, there'll be ice on me, so I'm not trying to do that. It's actually someone up ahead playing with the dog, and it looks like a center back there, so that may be the actual center. So I'm thinking that this loops around from here on back, where you see that second person walking down there, if you can see that. So as you can see, this will make a great park for you to bring your dogs, especially if they're like high agility dogs. Something's burning out here. Smell something burning, y'all. I don't know what it is. So they have the river loop, the quail loop, and then the parking, and then we're headed to the outdoor center. So that's what you guys will see next. I think this is the first park we've been to where it's mainly fields. And it definitely is the first park we've been to that's been this unpaved. It's nothing but pasture you're walking in, and they've either mowed portions of it like you see here, or they've left it pretty much no till, no mow, and you just walk through it. The quiet, the quiet is something else. Y'all get out to Bells Bend Park. It's a nice little reset. So we made it to the center. There are definitely people up here. Not a lot, maybe like a handful, but the mask had to come on, so it's enough for me to be uncomfortable. This is the first park we've been to with a climbing boulder. So if you guys would like to take advantage of that, definitely come out and do so. I'm just going to take a picture of it because there's kids here and I don't want to film them. Y'all, I've met some really cool people out here. Apparently they were having like a Nashville Outdoor Expo in Bells Bend Park. I didn't know, but I'm so glad that I took the time out to walk up this far and actually connect with people and learn more about some of the outdoor activities we have here with different organizations and businesses. I'll definitely post many of their links that I've talked with in the description of this video, so definitely check them out. I did want to show you guys I did find a garden. They have fresh kale in this raised bed. Look at this, guys. And apparently this is some type of program they have here at this park. So they have an herbal bed here, the parsleys, rosemary, it's like some sage starting to come in, oregano, lavender's getting started, and then these are 2 other raised beds. I'm not quite sure what they're planning to do with it, but great way to grow things you need in this space. And as you can see, there are plenty of vendors out here at this expo ready to educate people about outdoor activities here in the Nashville and Tennessee area. Wow, this was not what I was planning to find out here on a trail, but I'm so happy that I did. Y'all, I'm pretty sure that's the group I was supposed to be walking with. I'm pretty sure that's them. Be blessed in every day that God gives you. Your life is full of purpose. Until next time, deuces. And if you want to be a part of this journey, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for this channel so you won't miss any of my updates. And make sure you come back every Saturday for a new one.